In today's video, we are going to cover how to send a proposal in HoneyBook. Begin by signing in to your HoneyBook account and opening the project where you want to send a proposal. This takes you into the workspace tied to that client or job, which is where the proposal will be created or updated before it goes out. If you already have the correct project open, stay there and move to the proposal section. From here, either open an existing proposal if one is already attached to the project, or click Create and choose Proposal to start a new one. The path you take depends on whether you are editing something that already exists or building a proposal for the first time. In either case, you will end up in the proposal editor, where the main details can be reviewed and adjusted before sending. Next, customize the proposal. Add new content where needed, or edit the existing sections so everything reflects the current offer. Update the services included in the proposal, then check the pricing to make sure the amounts match what you intend to send. If the proposal includes a contract, review that text as well. Then look over the payment details, including any payment schedule or required amount, so the client sees the correct terms when they open the proposal. As you work through these sections, keep the project details consistent across the document. The service descriptions, pricing, contract language, and payment information should all align with one another. If you are using an existing proposal, this is the point where older information can carry over, so give each section a direct review rather than assuming it is already current. Once the proposal has been customized, review it from top to bottom. Read through the content and confirm that the information is accurate. This includes the wording, the listed services, the totals, and the contract and payment details. The goal here is to catch anything that needs to be corrected before the client receives it. When everything looks right, click Send in the top right corner. That opens the final sending screen, where you can prepare the email that will accompany the proposal. If needed, customize the email subject and the message. You can leave the default wording in place or adjust it so it fits the project and gives the client the context you want them to have before they open the proposal. After that final check, click Send Proposal. HoneyBook will deliver the proposal to your client using the details connected to the project, and the proposal will be available for them to review, sign, and respond to based on the content you included. Your proposal has now been sent to your client through HoneyBook.